Hello, my dear future chart accountants. This is CA Chinmay Hegde, your learning partner for CA Final FR and SFM. I am here to talk about the crash course that we are conducting in our academy for the coming exam. I am going to take two subjects. One is FR, other is SFM. So if I ask you what will be the mode of examination, this mode, or sorry, not exam, the classes, mode of FR will be live and recorded, and SFM only will be recorded. So mode for FR will be either live, you can go for Google Drive, or you can go for pen drive. And SFM live is not available, you can only go for Google Drive or pen drive classes. So when this will be available, FR classes will be conducted in the month of August, 3 hours per day, and I'll tell you the exact dates in a moment from now. SFM also recorded will be available from August 2nd week onwards. Now, how many number of hours will be there? FR is around 60 to 65. SFM also will be around 60 to 65. What will be the language of expression, discussion? It will be purely in English. My English may not be pure, but discussion will only be in English, no other language. Then what will be the focus? Focus is, and many people ask me this question, are you going to solve entire problem from study material? Are you going to cover 100% syllabus? No, I'm not misleading you. I'm not covering 100% syllabus, because it's only about 60 to 65 hours. But if you have done 100% syllabus, this will be a very, very good revision to recollect all the points. And if you have not done, if you are not confident, I'll be covering all exam oriented points. Practical will be very, very minimal, maybe 95% examination, 5% practical, just to stay connected. Number of hours I told you, focus is there. Then materials will be provided, books will be provided, which contains all examination oriented maximum concepts covered, and practice problems also will be there with answer hints will be there, so you can we can verify your answer. So full-fledged books will be there, and charts will be provided too in the material. Last minute charts for FR, because standards are all complicated, is covered. SFM also, like formats for derivatives, for forex, all the formats in a tabular format is given to you for last minute revision. Then what will be the topics covered, to quickly tell you, in FR classes, 4 days I'll be spending on consolidation and business combination and financial instruments and Ind AS 115, 116. This will be 4 days, approximately 30 to 35 hours. Remaining 4 days, the rest will be focused on like other standards. And because I'll be using charts in class, all animated PPTs I have, and the charts are given to you, we will save time and we will be solving more number of problems from exam point of view. Then SFM, 4 days, again I'll be focusing on derivatives and forex, including international financial management, interest rate management, all those things, which will be around 30 to 35 hours, and all remaining like bond valuation, share valuation, remaining 30 to 35 hours. And what about doubt clarification? FR, because live session will be there, you can ask live doubts, or you can ask me by way of uh, uh, message in Telegram. In SFM, live class are not there. I'll try to come to Q&A session, but you any doubts you can ask immediately in the Telegram. I'll be more than happy to assist you. And this is what I am providing from my side. But what about other subjects? This is what the entire details of. So we are offering you all the subjects, paper 1 to paper 8, except the electives. So instead of looking at elsewhere, we are providing all the experts possible. So you have two benefits. One, you don't have to mix and match your dates in different places, and second benefit, financial benefit also, you will be getting it, and of course without compromising on the quality of the classes. So these are all the details with the amounts and the schedules. So please make the best use of it, and all the best for your examination. Do well. Hope to see you as a full-fledged chart accountant soon. Thank you so much.